For sure.
Just got done swapping the bumper. That bitch do look good though. Hell yeah, that bitch. I still need a damn side skirt. Then I need a fender still, cause this. Yeah, I just need a fender. I need that front one too though. I need to find that front one somewhere. Go up that front bitch, that bitch kinda look. I mean, it was kinda straight.
A few moments later.
What's the deal? So we back with another clip. Is it the next day from me installing the rear diffuser and the rear let me say that over.
You so damn stupid.
The new diffuser and the SRT8 bumper. So when I pull up and park the whip up, I'm gonna show you all that. I ain't gonna lie, I messed with it. It made the whole rear end look good, but I feel like I'm still missing that spoiler, so I don't get that full aggressive look. It still look aggressive though. I'm gonna show y'all though. I'm probably gonna pull out to a gas station or to my destination, then hop out and show y'all another one while the sun out. Hopefully it'll look better, even though my car's still dirty as fuck.
Same shit, different day.
Do a little pull real quick. I don't know what that sound is, bro. I think that's my exhaust, cause it's kind of loose. But when they did the swap, they didn't fully get it bolted on. They just used some weak hangers. Do a little pull. Hold on. This is my turn right here. But yeah, man, I need to get my clock spring fixed so I can be able to use my pedal shifters. Cause that make the car way more fun driving. Cause it's like, it make it like a video game. I don't know if y'all play Forza or not, or like, instead of Corso. I played the Forza though, but it kind of make it like the Forza. Hope y'all can see too, cause that sun is out. But yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all the view. I'm gonna show y'all the view of the rear end when I get out. Hopefully it do justice with the sun out. Hopefully it look better than yesterday, cause it was kind of gloomy. It was gloomy, but it wasn't as sunny how it is in the morning. See, like when I come over here, it's all shade. You don't see nothing for real. No sunlight. I'm gonna take my hood off too. I like almost some hot shit with the hood on.
You going to jail?
Man, I hit the ceiling. I'm lowering my seat. The fuck my seat hot so hot for? Fuck been in my car driving my shit. You driving too slow, shot. Hey, the Buick. Motherfucker behind me. But yeah, though. Probably try to go to the gas station up here to get a better little turn the seat off. Let me see how the booming. They get like a better scenery, I should say. But they got like a Halloween decoration, but like the motherfucking big ass truck up here blocking shit. Like damn, what is you doing? Drive that bitch or not? And that bitch slapping anyways. Lady behind me on my ass though. Shit, made this motherfucker twerk for her.
What do you mean by that?
She sees the motherfucker get out of control. She go by, oh yeah, let me slow up. That's my people's right there. I need to figure out what's that sound. It's like something rubbing. I know they ain't the thought about it, but
Brother,
so what's up,
what's
y'all?
that?
This clip is like a few hours later, but I'll make sure I still pull over and give y'all the I don't even want some on my face. Long ago, but I don't even want to show y'all the diffuser yet. No, what I'm about to say? So I did install the diffuser. I'm gonna show y'all the diffuser and the new SRT8 rear bumper. When I pull over to the gas station or the store or to my destination, give y'all a little rundown, a full 360 of the car. So my next mod, hopefully I can get that front bumper. Or I can get my rims. I'm hoping that one of space out my content, you know, get my bang for my buck. It's a charger right here, right there. I ain't gonna lie, but this motherfucker look aggressive ever since I put that rear diffuser on. Like, this motherfucker charger right here. Motherfucker charger right here probably looking like, damn, this shit look crazy.
Sit the fuck down.
Shit like the much on the charger while I'm driving. Oh, that bitch like that while it's be charging too. But yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody behind me like, damn, that bitch look crazy. That's SRT, what's that? Whole time it's just a little V6. It's hot as hell too. Make sure I hit the gas for y'all some more. I'm talking the freeway cutting up, little PO, well not cutting up. Some freeway action for y'all too. Cause I know people like to watch the freeway action, so it's like a little bit more traffic and more leeway to talk and cut up though. So I might do a little bit of that for y'all if the freeway not slapping. Come on, this slow ass tourist, bro. They braking, bro. They brake checking me on purpose, bro. That's why you gotta watch who you drive behind, bro. Cause certain stuff to be ready to make it like young crash out, man. That's why I see why they call us the young niggas, the YNs.
Relax.
They be having a point sometimes though, I ain't gonna lie. Not all the time they look. Get your ass over. I'll tell grandma. But I ain't gonna lie, sometimes them young niggas be having a point though. Sometimes niggas do be tweaking out, or sometimes they do have a reason, but majority of the time, man, they just be ready to crash out. Sounds good to be stopped. But when I go to the muffler shop, we're gonna really see if I'm stock or not. Cause I'm starting to think that he at least got the resonators cut or something. Cause I don't think base Dodge Charger RT Daytonas and shit, I don't think they be sound like this. The 2017 and I think cause this is 17, so I believe 15 through 18 it's the same year. The 19 and up is different. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I'm pretty sure it's like that. Mexico. If y'all didn't believe me, I told y'all, bro, we in Mexico, man.
Boy, if you don't.
You won't see nothing in English over here. If you do, that means it's AI generated. Man, I need to type my dash up, because I keep hearing that shit like, that shit I be hearing like tapping or like making sounds. It's in my dash. Something in the front is loose. And we got a police station.
Got him!
Can't do a pull over here. They go instantly hop on ass. You I'm a real one. I ain't a real one like that. To hop a little chase in front of DPD. So that's over with. But yeah, man, I do need a cameraman because days I be off, I do be needing a cameraman because sometimes I be liking to drive with two hands just so I get the full experience. And then when I get my clock screen fixed too, so I get my pedal shifters, that'd be way better too. And you know, it's better for the video on content. Cause who wonders about somebody driving an automatic car all the time? With all these dropping the gear. I know not me. I know not me. Something actually happened. I mean, at least some down shit to happen. Little pull right there. I ain't gonna lie. When the car echo off stuff, it sound kind of good. Not gonna lie. But I'm tired of the tunnel pull. But I can't come up. Probably like, why is this nigga behind me revving like this? What is he doing? He said, why he in? You're damn right. YNs taught me this, man. So when I do my cutting up through the trenches video, I'm like, hey, what's the deal, my nigga? Well, I'm gonna toss the keys. When I do let my smooth driver, aka YN smooth driver, drive the car.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
go crazy, you know. Fully break it in. When I do the cutting up through the trench, you know, probably sliding every corner videos like that. Those videos, I'm gonna have YN smooth drive the car. You know what I'm saying? Cause the real me, I don't do stuff like that. You know, I just drive cars, regular, get POVs. But the YN me, he do everything. Pause. No.
Oh, Lord.
No Diddy. I would do a pull right here, but niggas don't know how to merge. Like, you supposed to know, one person merge, the next side merge. One merge, the next side merge. Not just you merge whenever you can, get in when you can. That's what people don't be understanding, bro. Driving is like, it's kind of like a puzzle. Not a puzzle, but like, it's something that you gotta master type shit. If y'all understand what I'm saying. Everybody can just hop on the road and get behind the wheel. And if you think I'm lying, give your keys to somebody and let them just drive. Watch how your shit come back. Toe up, brake, toe up, say. Them YNs be out here tweaking, man. I hope everybody stay safe, man. If you watch this video, man, I hope you be safe. What the fuck are you talking about? I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people do be dying every day, man. Not trolling, man, for real, man. So if you got the time, thank the God above. Thank God above that you made it to another day. Which, stop. Just take the time to do that. Appreciate these cars too. And why is my camera so dark? I was figure out why my camera looks so dark. That's my brightness. Probably like, what is YN doing? Yo, my bad. Fire truck about to pull up. Not before meeting. Not before meeting. Do a pull. Says the whip, man. You see the back bumper on, man. So I still do.
Ew. What's that?
We got a dent right here, so it's like, shit kind of flush, but shit, we got that bitch to match up as much as we could. That bitch on there. That's how it flush. We gotta do a little tweaking and hit the zip tie on there, but that bitch in there. Side markers, I do need to get them wired up. That's how it look like that. Do got the SRT shit. It says SRT, but I removed those. And one thing I do want to do, I want to drill this shit, cause that shit just flapping like that. So I do want to drill that to make that tighter, but I ain't gonna lie. The yodel off that shit go with the plate. That shit kind of hard. My man shit too, with the G8. Then look, man, let me tell you how I'm driving out here, bro. I'm driving on wires.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
You see the wires right there. Niggas driving on wires. The nigga ramp supposed to be coming. This look good. My man got the GTO right here. Good 5-speed too. Let me know if y'all need content on that too. I'm gonna tell bro guy. Link up and get some. This look good though. Oh, he made a new fender though. This shit look nasty as fuck. Watch it do y'all swap too, man. Cause look at this shit, bro. Niggas didn't even put this shit through the motherfucking hole for the windshield wipers. And I got my shit cracking cause this bitch bald as hell. This one coming straight though. Damn, never mind. But shit, you can kind of see it from the back though, from the side. This part right here, that bitch look a little more aggressive than that. The diffuser part right there make it stay out some. Makes it tight. I actually fuck with these rims, but I don't know. I fuck with the look. And I also, if y'all don't know, I got my tail lights wired up. This one, I need that whole new one, but those two. My shit good now. Before, none of my shit worked but this, but my man's came through, got me right. There's some bigger exhaust tips too, bro. And this bitch like it's hanging low. That bitch on there though.